Day 13. 13 is my favorite number. I was born on the 13th.
Woo.
Yep. So hopefully we'll have a super awesome box today. Carrie, and the pressure's on to choose something good.
Ooh, I think I'm going to go with this big box right in the middle.
There's batteries on that box.
There are batteries, so this could be potentially another Canon camera, which it would be so exciting if it was. Oh, I don't think it is.
No?
I see bubbles and not another box.
Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay. There's. You always pick the good boxes. Ooh. All right.
Oh, this is something super exciting.
Cool. Yeah.
These are telescoping tabletop microphone stands. So
you want to open one?
Oh, yeah.
You want to open it?
You can open it.
Okay.
You got it. Oh, I got it.
But you can just, no, I'll do it. I'll just give you your scissors.
Thank you. Yeah, my right-handed people scissors.
Yes.
While we're at it, we have a bunch more XLR cables. These are to hook our shotgun mics up to our cameras, to the boom poles. Really anything and everything involving sound, you need one of those.
These are just super heavy.
Oh yeah. They're not going anywhere.
No.
These will not go anywhere. They're hefty.
So what this is pretty cool before you get into that box anymore.
Oh yeah.
These are tabletop microphone stands. So like if we want to use them with WBUS or doing interviews, we can attach, like we have microphone mounts. They attach right on here, and then they just sit on the table. We've been wanting these. We're always talking about, does it, kids are always coming up with a project like, do we have a little mic stand that we can just set? And we never have. And now we've got 2 of these tabletop microphone stands, which are going to just expand what we're able to do. Very excited about this. What else you got in there?
So this is a pretty simple one.
Yep.
We've got 3 of these lens cleaning cloths to make sure that our lenses are dust and smudge free, because we want to create the best film out there possible.
Ooh. So this, I'll wait until maybe the other stuff is in there, because this is for something else. Oh, yes. I think that's down there.
This is also for the mystery box.
Oh, that's mystery box.
Mystery box.
Mystery box.
We don't need that.
Nothing to see here.
Oh, we do have another box.
Hold on. We got other boxes here. What's this? Oh, yes, we can talk about this. All right.
Exciting.
So one of the kits that we got, but it's funny, like we ordered these kits, but they don't all come together. They come in different boxes. So some of you have seen or have been involved with us when we've done interviews, and we have the wireless lapel mics. We call them lavs. We call them body mics. We call them our wireless mics. There are a bunch of names they go by. And we have one really nice kit that has 2 wireless body mics, lapel mics, and 1 handheld mic. And they've been great. But we only have 1 kit, which has been super difficult when you have multiple teams that would like to have really good audio when they're doing dialogue.
Yeah.
So we bought another kit. So that's what this thing I said we'd wait on. This is just a shoe that allows you to put more than one of the wireless mics on a camera at a time so that it's useful. And here is one of the 2 sets of wireless mics, body mics that come with the kit. Very, very excited that we're going to have more of these available for students to use so that we get that really good clear sound.
These are our 4K 128 SanDisk gigabyte SD cards. These are really, really great. We're going to be able to use these with our new special cameras. So I'll put these over near the back.
This is a universal shock mount. This is what I was talking about. You can use it with any of your microphones. Like the microphone goes through here, and then this will mount to your camera, or it could mount to the tabletop mount like this. So very happy to have another one of these so that we have those different options.
That is for the mystery box.
This is?
That one.
Okay, I'll move this then.
This is, it says on the outside, Series B&H Sennheiser Sony mic kit.
That's the rest of this, I think.
So I'll use my special right-handed scissors here. And
holy stuff.
We have quite the amount.
We still have boxes to come. Who knows?
This one's wrapped pretty tightly here. Looks like it was not going anywhere during transit.
Right. It's expensive stuff.
Definitely. So glad that it's not falling out of the package. And inside is another box.
Oh, it is.
Of sorts.
It is a box, but it's a case. Here, I'll help you.
Here we go.
So this is the case that our wireless mic set will go into, and I believe this is literally just the case. Yep. And then like that box of wireless mics I showed you, that will go in here. We have another set of wireless mics that we're gonna unbox somewhere that will go in here. We have a handheld mic that will go in here. All the wires will go in here, and so then it's nice. This kit is super expensive. It's like $1,400 for this kit.
I think it might be $1,500.
Right. So
definitely
you want
out
a
there.
good safe box to keep that in, to protect our expensive equipment. So, you know, maybe not as exciting as some of the things we've opened, but very valuable and important to what we do so that the exciting stuff stays safe. So, are we on day 13?
That was day 13.
That was day 13.
We're wrapping it up.
Day 13, another big box. Kerrigan's great at picking out the boxes with lots of cool stuff. We'll see you tomorrow. Maybe I can get a cool box tomorrow.